Okay, is this recording? Okay. So, do you want canon sands like this in gacha online? Okay, sure, I can make you that. First, just go on this default thingy. Oh wait. So it's okay if you don't want to make the head small. Just it's your opinion, but I just go to make the head size to 86. Alright. So you gotta just make the skin like white, and just get this thingy. You think this is too like a thingy, alright? Just gotta click edges and click size, click 5 thingy, and just click the left button thingy. Yeah. So yeah, you got Sun's nose. So you need to change the color 1 and color 2 to black. And go to page 10. Okay, wait, I forgot. Just make them bald. Sans doesn't have like a hair, right? And just go to purples and click this. Yep. Now I just adjust it just to make it more closer. So you can just go to the mouth and go to the last page. It's 21 and click this. And now you have this face. Okay, if you have this face, just do it after me. Go to shirt, go to click to white. I'm just going to make it to gray, like the outline to gray. It will be just make me a little better. Just click go to page 3 and click the 36 over here. Just change the color one to blue. Okay, go to sleeves and go to page 7. I mean 8, and click the 86 over here. And just copy the color from the jacket. I'm just copy the outline too. Yep. Now you can use this. This is the most perfect, but it is too short. So we're gonna use this today. Just change it to black. Yeah. Just click shorts. Just click socks and click the number 4. And I'm gonna change the outline to gray, you know. And go to shoe and go to page 3 and click the 27 thingy over here, and just change the color to pink. And now you have it, Canon Sans. Woo! Bye guys.